Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of our channel. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to upload and share a private YouTube video. So without wasting any more time, let's start our today's video. Uploading and sharing a private YouTube video is a great way to control who can view your content. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you out. First, go to your web browser and open YouTube. Now you can see there's a camera icon on the top right corner. Select it. And now you can see there's an option for uploading your video. Just click on it. Choose the file you want to upload. Here you can see I am choosing my file to upload it. Just simply now click on the next button. Again, click on the next button. Now you can see there is a visibility section here. It is set to private. Here you can see the option share privately. When you click on it, you'll see you can add emails here. Your video will be sent to them, the emails you write here. By following these easy steps, you can easily share your private video to others. So that's it guys, hope you liked this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.